Developed exclusively for the British Army and Royal Air Force, Rapier, the British surface-to-air missile, has stood the test of time as a stalwart guardian of the skies. Replacing both guns used for low-flying targets and the English Electric Thunderbird employed against distant, high-altitude threats, Rapier emerged as a comprehensive defense system capable of countering fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters, unmanned aerial vehicles, and cruise missiles with equal efficacy. One of Rapier's distinct features is its ability to fire two missiles simultaneously, reinforcing its potency in intercepting multiple threats simultaneously. Additionally, its versatility shines through its mobility, as Rapier can be efficiently transported by ground and air, ensuring swift deployment to critical areas. Over the years, Rapier has evolved into an iconic symbol of British military might and technological prowess, standing as a testament to the nation's commitment to safeguarding its airspace and defending against airborne threats in an ever-evolving security landscape. As the global military sphere continues to progress, Rapier remains a formidable defense system, ready to protect the British skies with unwavering precision and power. Wheel launcher. The Rapier surface-to-air missile system, a remarkable British-made weapons platform, traces its origins back to the 1960s, during the height of the Cold War. Originally conceived as a defense against aerial threats, such as enemy aircraft, helicopters, and cruise missiles, the Rapier system has endured for over 6 decades, continuously adapting through numerous upgrades to remain relevant in the ever-changing landscape of modern warfare. Comprising several essential components, the Rapier system includes a launcher, radar unit, and missile reload vehicles. The mobile launcher, capable of carrying up to 8 missiles, can be easily transported by road, sea, or air, making it highly deployable in various scenarios. The system's cylindrical powerhouse, designed for portability on a 2-wheeled A-frame trailer, features adjustable legs for stabilization after deployment. At the heart of the Rapier's launcher lies a technological marvel for its time. Concealed beneath the radome, a state-of-the-art surveillance radar dish, and an identification friend or foe (IFF) system work in harmony to detect and differentiate between friendly and hostile targets. The front of the launcher boasts a parabolic antenna that sends precise guidance commands to the missiles, while the bottom houses the guidance computer, radar transmitter, and receiver electronics, all strategically positioned for optimal efficiency. The Rapier missiles themselves are equally impressive, featuring streamlined monocoque bodies with a circular cross-section. Divided into 4 main sections: warhead, guidance, propulsion unit, and control, they are finely tuned for their intended purpose. The warhead section carries a potent semi-armor-piercing warhead, complemented by a safety and arming unit and a crushed fuse. To ensure optimal aerodynamic shape, the missiles are equipped with collapsible plastic nose cones, enhancing their overall performance in flight. Enhanced capabilities. The Rapier missile system has undergone remarkable advancements, making it a formidable defense weapon. One of its most notable features is its exceptional engagement time, with a rapid response time from target detection to missile launch, taking a mere 13 and 6 seconds, respectively. The Mark U Rapier missile, currently in production, complements the Rapier system with a 15 to 20% increase in range, ensuring enhanced effectiveness in countering airborne threats. Furthermore, the system's optical tracker, equipped with 360-degree coverage in azimuth, has significantly evolved to support the precise targeting of hostile aircraft, while ensuring safe passage for friendly forces. Initially, the Rapier missile system faced a weakness: its vulnerability to adverse weather conditions. However, this concern was effectively addressed with the introduction of the Marconi DN-181 blind fire radar in 1970. This all-weather adaptation provided the system with the capability to operate efficiently under any weather circumstances, greatly improving its overall performance. With more than 350 units produced by 1997, the introduction of the DN-181 radar not only bolstered the Rapier system's capabilities, but also contributed to its increased foreign sales. Moreover, the Tactical Control Unit, TCU, of the Rapier system plays a vital role in managing technical services. Divided into 32 sectors within an azimuth spherical coordinate system, the TCU allows operators to create blind arcs or prioritize fire arcs, offering secure channels for friendly aircraft while engaging enemy threats. This intelligent safeguard system ensures the Rapier's effective operation, establishing it as a reliable and adaptable air defense solution for modern military needs. The Rapier Missile System. The Rapier missile system has established itself as a key player in numerous conflicts, showcasing its effectiveness in countering aerial threats. During the Falklands War, the British Army deployed the Rapier system on the islands, successfully shooting down several Argentine aircraft. Switzerland also recognized its potential and acquired 60 Rapier systems in the 1980s, actively maintaining and upgrading them to remain relevant in modern warfare. Over time, the system has evolved through various missile launcher iterations, culminating in the advanced Rapier 2000 equipped with a state-of-the-art optical sensor array. One of the Rapier missile system's greatest strengths lies in its mobility, enabling rapid deployment to safeguard military assets in the field. Additionally, the IFF Identification Friend or Foe guidance system ensures high operator accuracy while preventing harm to friendly units. However, the system is not without limitations. Certain iterations lack all-weather capabilities, making them vulnerable to adverse weather conditions. Moreover, electronic countermeasures can disrupt the radar tracking and guidance systems, posing a challenge for its effectiveness. Furthermore, the system's limited range restricts its engagement capabilities to short-range threats, setting it apart from more current surface-to-air missile solutions capable of engaging aircraft over broader distances. Despite these challenges, the Rapier missile system remains a formidable weapon on the battlefield, continuously adapting to meet evolving military demands. Swiss decision. In 2007, the Rapier units received a complete modernization, transforming them into the Rapier 2000 version with enhanced optical tracking capabilities. Despite the original design dating back 70 years, these upgraded missile launchers had proven to be relevant in modern combat scenarios, sparking interest from struggling military factions like the Ukrainian forces. Switzerland, owning some of the most advanced Rapier 2000 units, has surprisingly decided to dismantle all 60 of its surface-to-air missile systems. Military experts worldwide believe that these potent weapons could significantly benefit Ukraine's defense forces, capable of neutralizing low-flying targets with Mark 1 and Mark 2 missiles at ranges up to 8 kilometers and altitudes of 5 kilometers. Amidst growing calls from numerous nations and military experts urging Switzerland to donate the air defense systems to Ukraine, the Swiss government remains steadfast in its decision to dismantle the units. Critics view this move as a missed opportunity to support Ukraine's military efforts, especially since the transfer would likely be more cost-effective than the decommissioning process. The Swiss government, however, maintains its stance, citing the systems as considerably outdated and challenging to maintain. Some sources suggest that budget restrictions within Switzerland drove the original decision to scrap the 60-year-old systems, further intensifying diplomatic tensions within the European bloc. The fate of the Rapier missile systems raises complex questions about military assistance, neutrality, and geopolitical relationships. As Sweden proceeds with the four-phase process of destroying the Rapiers, the controversy persists, with many urging Switzerland to reconsider its stance and support Ukraine's defense by donating the potent air defense systems. While the Swiss government emphasizes its commitment to neutrality, the issue continues to spark debate worldwide, leaving the fate of the Rapier missile systems and their potential impact on Ukraine's security uncertain.